Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Your Dream. This video is about UPSC Civil Service Examination Syllabus for optional subject History. This video is presented by me, Rabiul Molla. So for the Civil Service Examination, there have two optional subject papers known as paper 6 and 7. This is your selected subject. The papers are considered as merit paper. These papers are more important to get good score. Syllabus for the optional subject History. Paper A. Sources including archaeological sources, literary sources, foreign account, prehistory and proto-history, Indus Valley Civilization, megalithic cultures, Aryans and Vedic periods, period of Mahajanapads, Mauryan Empire, post-Mauryan period, Indo-Greeks, Shaks, Kushan, Western Kshatrapas, early state and society in Eastern India, Deccan and South India, Guptas, Bhakatakas and Vardhanas, regional states during Gupta era, themes in early Indian cultural history, early medieval India, 750 to 1200, cultural tradition in Indian 750 to 1200, the 13th century, the 14th century, society, culture and economy in the 13th and 14th centuries, the 15th and early 16th century, political development and economy, the 15th and early 16th century, society and cultures, Akbar, Mughal Empire in the 17th century, economy and society in the 16th and 17th centuries, culture during Mughal Empire, the 18th centuries. Paper B. European penetration into India, British expansion in India, early structure of the British Raj, economic impact of British colonial rule, social and cultural developments, social and religious reforms movement in Bengal and other areas, Indian response to British rule, Indian nationalism, rise of Gandhi, constitutional development in the colonial India between 1858 to 1935, other stands in the national movement, politics of separatism, consolidation as nation, and ethnicity after 1947, economic development and political change, enlightenment and modern ideas, origins of modern politics, industrialization, nation-state system, imperialism and colonialism, revolution and counter-revolution, world wars, the world after World War II, liberation from colonial rule, decolonization and underdevelopment, unification of Europe, integration of Soviet Union and the rise of the unipolar. Remembering that the optional subject is your own choice subject. Read the paper sincerely because these papers are helping to good score. Choose the subject by your specialty, not others. Hope you like the video and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, please comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.